Express Crates. We specialise in making flat-pack reusable roadie cases on wheels. These wooden roadie cases are sturdy and solid. We can customise these road cases to suit your requirements, whether it be large or small, added shelves or dividers. They can be made lockable or not, with foam padding or without foam padding, and the caster wheels attached to the base are strong enough to carry up to 400 kilograms. These roadie cases are tough enough to protect your goods, be it audio equipment, exhibition equipment, computers, furniture, expensive art or museum pieces, or any valuable goods. No tools are required other than the easy clip removal tool, which we provide you with, or a flathead screwdriver. As you can see, we start at the base with the wheels, and then we easily clip one side to the next, and so on. These roadie cases are Aussie made, tough and sturdy. As you can see, it's easy to assemble, and once it is clipped together from top to bottom, you can easily maneuver the road case with up to 400 kilograms of weight. The next side clips to the base and the side, and so on. As we said before, we can customize the cases to suit your needs. The dimensions of this particular road case are 1 meter and 200 millimeters in length by 800 millimeters wide by 800 millimeters high, and the plywood is 18 millimeters in thickness. We have made road cases for the most obscure of instruments, artwork and equipment, and we have no doubt that we will be able to do the same for you. These road cases are great for freight, easy to assemble and to return as a flat pack to cut down on freight costs and storage. All our products are made from recycled materials in an effort to minimize waste and become more eco-friendly. Each panel is interchangeable, which means it can easily be replaced if need be. Express Crate's unique easy clip system allows you to easily clip together your crate so that it's protecting your product and goods in a strong sturdy case on wheels ready for transport. We recommend you speak to our friendly staff to discuss your requirements and specifics so we can assist you in making the right decision. To make sure you get the right dimensions, we recommend you call us on 0410798395 as we can customize your crate to suit your needs. Remember to subscribe for future crate designs, promotions and discounts. Once you have all the sides clipped together, your crate is now ready for transport. To make sure you get the right dimensions, we recommend you call us on 0410798395 as we can customize your crate to suit your needs. Call us now on 0410798395.